Hi everyone, this is Anuja and today in this video we will explore what is field dependency and learn how to create them from scratch. So field dependency means controlling a field's value based on the other field to help user enter accurate and consistent data. The value selected in the controlling field affects the value available in the dependent field. A controlling field can be a picklist field, a checkbox, or a standard and custom field. And a dependent field can be a custom picklist or a multi-select picklist field. So before creating a dependency, let's take a look on the policy object. And if we create the new record on the policy object, so you can see there are two fields, insurance type and the subtype. So this insurance type field that specifies the type of insurance, for example life insurance, health insurance, motor vehicle, home, etc. And the subtype field specifies that within the insurance type field what is the subtype of insurance, like term plan, unit link plan, fire, theft, regular, etc. So as you can see, if we want to select the subtype without selecting any insurance type, so the system is allowing to select the subtype because these two fields are not binded in the dependent relationship. So before creating the field dependencies, for example, a business requests you that we would want a particular field value to be controlled in such a manner. Let's say insurance type is specified as health or life insurance. On the basis of the value that is selected by the user, I would want the subtype value to be controlled. Only specific values to be shown in a case to a particular type of insurance is selected. So how you can do that? You can do that using field dependency. In the field dependency, there are two concepts. One is the controlling field and the second one is the dependent field. The controlling field is a field that control the visibility that are available for the selection on the UI. And obviously the dependent field is the field which is dependent on the controlling field or its values. So for creating the field dependency, simply navigate to the setup, click on this gear icon and click on the setup. So I'm going to create the field dependency for the policy object. Go to the object manager, type for the policy object, click on policy, go to the fields and relationships, and here you can see the field dependencies button. Click on the field dependencies, click new, and now we are going to select the insurance type for the controlling field and the dependent field would be subtype. Click continue. So for the life insurance, I'm going to select term plan, regular and single premium and unit link. So for selecting the value, click on the value or and click on the include value, or you can select it by the double click on the value. I'm going to select term plan, regular, single premium and unit link plan. And for the health insurance, I'm going to select single premium and regular. For motor vehicle, single premium and regular. And for the home insurance, I'm going to select fire and theft. Click on save. That's it. We have created our field dependency. Now let's take a look at the insurance management app. Click on the app launcher, search for insurance management app. So, and if we create a new record for the policies, so now you can see that the system is highlighting that these two fields are now binded in a dependent relationship. So now, based on the value you select in the insurance type field, for example, health insurance, only only these values are available for the selection. So this is how we create the field dependencies in the Salesforce. So that's it for now. So stay tuned for the future videos where we dive deeper into the world of Salesforce functionalities. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you.